Want to feel more in control of your life? Imagine waking up each day with a clear sense of purpose and direction. Want to achieve your biggest goals? Picture yourself celebrating those milestones, feeling the thrill of accomplishment. It all starts with how you plan your day. The way you structure your time can make all the difference. Yep, you heard that right. Planning isn't just about to-do lists. It's about designing a life you love, one day at a time. It's about creating a roadmap that guides you towards your dreams. Think of it like this. Each day is a blank canvas. You have the power to fill it with whatever you choose. You get to choose what masterpiece you want to create. Whether it's a day filled with creativity or productivity, the choice is yours. Maybe today is about crushing that big project at work. Imagine the satisfaction of checking off that major task. Or maybe it's about making time for a long walk in nature. Envision the peace and clarity that comes from connecting with the outdoors. Whatever it is, planning helps you get there. It provides a clear path to follow, ensuring you make the most of your time. Without a plan, we get lost in the chaos. The demands of daily life can easily overwhelm us. Emails, errands, and endless to-dos can easily hijack our day. They pull us in different directions, leaving us feeling scattered. But when we plan, we take back control. We set our priorities and focus on what truly matters. We decide what matters most and make it happen. By highlighting our priorities, we ensure that our actions align with our goals. It's about aligning your actions with your dreams, one powerful day at a time. Each step you take brings you closer to your vision of success. So are you ready to ditch the overwhelm and step into your most productive, fulfilling self? Let's do this. Embrace the power of planning and watch your life transform. Ready to wake up feeling motivated and ready to conquer the day? It all starts the night before. Think of it as setting the stage for success. First things first, grab a journal or your favorite planner. What are the top 3 things you want to accomplish tomorrow? Not everything, just the biggies. Write them down and keep it visible. This is your focus for tomorrow. Next, do a quick declutter of your workspace. A clear space equals a clear mind. Put away any distractions, file those papers, and get ready for a fresh start in the morning. Finally, give yourself the gift of a good night's sleep. 7 to 8 hours of shut-eye is like hitting the reset button for your brain and body. You'll wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle anything. How you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. So ditch the snooze button and create a morning routine that fuels your body and focuses your mind. Start your day with movement. Whether it's a quick yoga flow, a brisk walk, or dancing it out to your favorite tunes. Moving your body gets your blood flowing and your energy soaring. Next, nourish yourself with a healthy breakfast. Think protein, healthy fats, and whole grains to keep you feeling full and focused all morning long. Skip the sugary cereals and pastries. They'll leave you feeling sluggish and drained. Finally, take a few moments for yourself. Meditate, journal, or simply enjoy a cup of coffee in silence. This quiet time is crucial for setting intentions, finding your center, and starting your day from a place of peace and clarity. Ready to become a productivity ninja? Time blocking is about to become your new best friend. It's simple. You're going to assign specific blocks of time on your calendar for specific tasks. Start by looking at your day. What are those top 3 things you wrote down last night? Block out time for each of them. Be realistic about how long each task will take, and don't forget to schedule in breaks. Next, fill in the rest of your day with other important tasks, emails, meetings, errands. The key is to stick to your schedule as much as possible. Treat those time blocks like important appointments you can't miss. Remember, things will come up, and that's okay. Be flexible and adjust your schedule as needed. The beauty of time blocking is that it gives you a framework for your day, helping you stay focused and productive even when life throws you curveballs. Section 5, the Pomodoro Technique, Mastering Focus in a Distracted World. Distractions are productivity's kryptonite, but don't worry, we've got a secret weapon, the Pomodoro Technique. It's a simple but powerful way to train your brain to focus and power through tasks. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a single task without interruption. No checking emails, no scrolling social media, just pure focused work. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Get up, stretch, grab a drink, and let your mind rest. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break of 20 to 30 minutes. This technique works because it breaks down work into manageable chunks. Knowing you only have to focus for 25 minutes makes even daunting tasks feel less overwhelming. Plus, those regular breaks prevent burnout and keep your energy levels high throughout the day. Section 6. Taming the distraction dragons. Strategies for staying on track. Distractions are sneaky little creatures, always lurking around the corner, ready to derail even our best intentions. They come in many forms, from the constant ping of notifications to the allure of social media, and even the well-meaning interruptions from family or roommates. But fear not. With a few simple strategies, you can tame those distraction dragons and stay focused on what matters most. It's all about creating an environment and mindset that fosters concentration and productivity. First, create a dedicated workspace. This is your personal productivity zone, a place where work happens and distractions are minimized. This doesn't have to be fancy. Even a designated corner in your home can work wonders. The key is to make it a space that is solely for work, free from the usual household distractions. Having a designated work zone signals to your brain that it's time to buckle down and focus. Next, turn off notifications. These constant interruptions can break your concentration and make it hard to get back on track. Those pings and buzzes are like little dopamine hits, pulling you away from your work and into the black hole of your phone. Social media, emails, and messages can wait until your designated break times. Silence those notifications, or better yet, put your phone on airplane mode while you work. This way, you can focus on the task at hand without the constant temptation to check your phone. Finally, communicate your boundaries. Let your family, roommates, or co-workers know when you're in focus mode and shouldn't be disturbed. Setting clear boundaries helps others understand and respect your need for uninterrupted work time. This simple step can save you from a ton of unnecessary interruptions throughout the day. By creating a dedicated workspace, turning off notifications, and communicating your boundaries, you can create an environment that supports your productivity and helps you stay on track. Section 7. The power of pause, breaks, and reflection for peak performance. Taking breaks might feel counterintuitive when you're on a roll, especially when deadlines are looming and the pressure is high. But trust me, breaks are not the enemy of productivity. They're essential for it. They provide a necessary pause that can actually enhance your efficiency. Regular breaks allow your brain and body to recharge, preventing burnout and boosting creativity. When you step away, you give your mind a chance to rest and reset. Step away from your desk every hour or so and move your body. Go for a walk, do some stretches, or even just stand up and shake it out. Physical movement is key to maintaining energy levels. Or simply stand up and shake it out. These small actions can make a big difference in how you feel and perform throughout the day. Getting your blood flowing will re-energize you and help you return to your work feeling refreshed and refocused. You'll find that tasks that seemed daunting before are now more manageable. Breaks are also a great time for reflection. Use these moments to think about your progress and your goals. Ask yourself, what's working well? What could be improved? This kind of self-assessment is crucial for continuous improvement. This simple practice helps you identify areas where you're excelling and areas where you might need to adjust your approach. It's a way to stay aligned with your objectives and make necessary tweaks. Remember, productivity isn't about working non-stop, it's about working smarter. It's about knowing when to push forward and when to step back. And sometimes the smartest thing you can do is take a break. So don't underestimate the power of a well-timed pause. It could be the key to unlocking your peak performance. Section 8. Celebrate your wins, tracking progress for continued motivation. We all love that feeling of accomplishment when we check something off our to-do list, but don't let those small wins pass you by. Celebrating your progress, no matter how small, is key to staying motivated and building momentum. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to review what you've accomplished. Acknowledge your efforts and celebrate your wins, big or small. Did you finally tackle that challenging task? Did you stick to your schedule? Give yourself a pat on the back. Keep a journal or use a tracking app to monitor your progress over time. Seeing how far you've come is incredibly motivating and reminds you that you are capable of achieving amazing things one day at a time. Remember, productivity is a journey, not a destination. So celebrate every step of the way and keep that motivation burning bright. Section 9. Plan your work, work your plan, unlock your productivity powerhouse. Congratulations. You've learned the secrets to planning your workday for maximum productivity. Now it's time to put these tools into action and watch your efficiency soar. Remember, your plan is your roadmap to success. It's a living, breathing document that you can adjust and adapt as needed. The key is to commit to the process, experiment with different techniques, and find what works best for you. Planning your day isn't about becoming a robot. It's about creating space for what matters most in your life. It's about taking control of your time and energy so you can show up as your best self in all areas of your life. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your planner, set those intentions, and get ready to unlock your productivity powerhouse.